Hey, Dill. What are you doing? Are you walking around naked in your boots? Whoa, careful. Whoa.
What's the matter, Dill?
Up? Up? What do you mean up?
Hey, Dylan, you ready for your PJs?
Daddy wants you to get dressed, but I say it's fun to be in just panties and boots. Awesome. No! No, Daddy, I don't want PJs on.
College is going to be so much fun for her.
She'll make lots of friends if she keeps dressing like this. Woohoo! Whoop whoop! No, no.
Dirty.
Dirty. Yuck. Yuck. Okay. Look. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.